In this informative video, I will provide you with a simple and effective method to completely eliminate dark circles underneath the skin on your face. There are easy and effective methods available to remove the factors which affect our beauty and confidence, enabling us to maintain our appearance with simplicity and success. This informative presentation will offer you a variety of natural solutions that will effectively rejuvenate and make your face youthful and radiant. What are dark circles and why do they form? Dark circles or bags form due to a lack of collagen in the skin, and the effects of aging are evident as they serve as clear signs of the reduced natural elasticity found in our skin. I am now going to tell you the main causes of dark circles: constant and prolonged exposure of the skin to sunlight, lack of sleep, and other factors. Negative influences include smoking and cigarette smoke, dehydration within the body, environmental pollution, and free radicals. Nutritional deficiencies and an unhealthy lifestyle are the primary causes that lead to the development of dark circles on the face. The biggest cause of dark circles is considered to be the sun's rays, the ultraviolet rays, which are UVA and UVB rays are both types of ultraviolet light that can significantly damage the body's internal tissues. It results in a decrease in collagen and elastin production, effectively damaging the skin areas that are most affected by prolonged sun exposure, such as the face. The neck and hands are more prone to developing dark spots due to continuous sun exposure, which accelerates the early signs of aging in these areas. Causes the skin to become prematurely brown and spots to appear. Research shows that 90% of aging. It looks like your second sentence is incomplete. Could you please provide the full sentence you'd like me to expand to 29 words? Home remedies. First, I will talk about lemon juice. Apply it to dark spots 2 to 3 times daily and wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes. It is rich in vitamin C, which promotes collagen production. Additionally, ensure you apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to your thoroughly clean skin every single night. It increases collagen production and keeps the skin hydrated. Additionally, if I talk about the milk and lemon mixture, it is excellent for sensitive skin. To prepare, mix 1 tablespoon of milk with a few drops of lemon and gently apply the nourishing mixture to your face. It protects against dryness and irritation. Let me continue discussing daily skincare. To follow these steps gradually, first cleanse your face both morning and evening with a gentle, mild cleanser for your skin type. Also, make sure to use toner in your skincare routine, as the toner you use is specifically designed to balance your skin's pH levels. Apply a serum such as vitamin C or hyaluronic acid serum. Additionally, use moisturizers, which are essential for keeping the skin hydrated. And when it comes to protecting your skin from the sun, make sure to use a sunscreen that has a minimum of SPF 30 each day. Now I will tell you about face exercises and massage. First, I will tell you about Gulgomer massage. Involves gently massaging your face in smooth circular motions using the tips of your fingers. This increases blood circulation and gives fresh blood to the skin. Fully open your eyes. Now kindly raise your spirit upwards, maintain the position for 5 seconds, then allow yourself to relax. Repeat 10 times. Speaking of cheek exercises, make it a habit to spread your cheeks out and patiently hold the position for 5 seconds. Relax, this strengthens the muscles of the cheeks. Now regarding lip massage, by gently massaging the area around the lips, you can increase blood circulation in the delicate skin and effectively reduce fine lines. With daily 5 to 10 minutes of facial massage, you will notice a clear difference in a week or 2. There are also modern medical treatment options available to you. The first option being chemical peels. They assist the new skin's emergence by removing the outermost layer. There are both light and medium depth skin peels available. Chemical peels are available for skin rejuvenation, and there is also an option for laser therapy utilizing effective laser light designed to treat deep shadows. It precisely targets the inner tissues of the skin and significantly increases collagen production. Additionally, it involves microdermabrasion treatment. The upper layer of the skin is gently exfoliated and thoroughly cleaned using a specially designed device for optimal results. It improves skin texture and complexion. Dermal fillers. The facial skin is effectively smoothed and rejuvenated by injecting various substances such as hyaluronic acid directly into the hollows. and the results last for 6 to 12 months, remember to always consult a specialist dermatologist. And be sure to learn about the advantages and disadvantages of medical methods. To prevent hollows, I will share some precautionary measures with you. First of all, drink water. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily keeps the skin stay properly hydrated and help to reduce hollowness in your skin. Additionally, make sure to follow and maintain a well-balanced, healthy diet. Make sure to consume antioxidant-rich fruits, vegetables, and a variety of nuts that effectively protect your skin from free radicals. And the most significant factor is adequate sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. While we sleep, the skin actively engages in repairing itself overnight. Remember that getting rid of hollows is possible. Be patient. Managing hives with treatment is time-consuming. Therefore, consistent and regular use of the treatment for at least 4 to 6 weeks is necessary. Adopt the principle of consistency and carefully follow your daily routine. Good results come only through consistency. Additionally, never compromise on your skincare routine. Instead, make it a priority to focus on maintaining the true health of your skin. Embrace and live a life filled with unwavering confidence and genuine happiness. Begin your transformative journey toward achieving healthier, more radiant, and beautiful skin starting today. Thank you very much for your help and support.